to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the term it girl. Now being an it girl isn't just about what you wear, it's about curating every single detail of your life. It's intentional, it's effortless, and somehow always ahead of the trend. So essentially I'm going to be sharing with you guys some it girl must have. A quick disclaimer, this is my interpretation, my visualization of what an it girl is. It's solely on the basis of my research and my analysis of trends, but please feel free to let me know what you think could be an interpretation. These are just trends. Make sure that you pick and choose things that work with you and your style and are true to you basically. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with fashion. Okay, so I have a lot of different fashion elements that I want to talk about. So we'll start with that. The first one that I feel like is an absolute it girl must have are these flowy tailored trousers. They absolutely need to be below your ankles in my opinion, because that is how it makes you look really elongated and tall. This truly gives me peak it girl energy. There's just something about these trousers that I absolutely love, and I have gone on a hunt. I've bought so many pieces that just didn't fit right. They weren't long enough, they didn't hug you at the right places. It was just wrong. However, I have found two pieces which I really like. The first one is from Zara. It's a basic brand, but they've really gotten it right. I picked it up in a plain white color, and then I also have another high-waisted tailored pants. They're flowy and they're long and they're in a black color. I would totally categorize these as a staple in your wardrobe, because if you have a white, a black, and a brown, I feel like you're really sorted. You can dress them up, dress them down. I am extremely passionate about V-toe heels. I feel like there's just something so minimal, but at the same time quietly luxurious about them. They make me feel a certain kind of way, and every time I wear them, I strut differently for some reason. And also, these paired with those flowy trousers, it's the ultimate combo. So as you saw, I have a cherry red, I have a plain black, and I'm eyeing a green from this very same brand. It's a brand from Myntra. It's quite affordable and they have such beautiful colors. Clearly, I'm obsessed because I have these as well in polka dots. Polka dots in general are really having their moment. These are, I feel like, quite a statement. These aren't subtle by any means. Obviously, you don't need so many pairs, but a plain black is one that I would recommend because I use my plain black V-toe heels like crazy. I have another footwear recommendation. It's from the flats category. Now, if you're into fashion, you might have noticed that ballet flats have made a comeback. However, I feel like rather than ballet flats, I would pick Mary Jane's. Don't get me wrong, I really love ballet flats. In fact, I've grown up wearing ballet flats with like tight, skinny black leggings and like a loose top. That was my vibe. But ballet flats feel very casual, chic, everyday, whereas Mary Jane's feel more statementy. There's a little bit something more to them. I have two really basic ones, black and brown, and they really do give me that it girl vibe. A very simple and timeless accessory are watches, and I feel like gold watches, especially with a more elongated rectangular dial, kind of like the Cartier ones, are really having their moment. The one that I have right now on is from Fossil. These are super sleek, but at the same time they really elevate your look, especially if you stack them. They have amazing stacking potential. I have two options for you guys from two different price ranges, both of them equally pretty. Moving on from something so timeless and so chic, we have statement earrings. I feel like statement earrings are really having its moment, and I feel like they're so fun and I'm here for it. I think it's a beautiful it girl look, and these are conversation starters for sure. Speaking of conversation starters, we have brooches. Now this one I am really excited for because I feel like I've never really in my lifetime really had brooches, and I am here to try them out. Think of vintage Chanel inspired or something super quirky and out there. This piece is really something that you can have fun with. And I feel like you could get certain pieces that kind of represent your personality. Like, for example, I have this one right here, which is a starfish. I am someone who loves the beach, the ocean, the water. So I feel like this is a really cute one. And then we have this one, which is a honeybee. I hope it's a honeybee. My friends lovingly call me a honeybee. It's an inside joke. It makes no sense. But I feel like you can really customize it according to you and your personality. Because that is exactly what an it girl does. She curates every detail of her life with style. Up next, we have delicate anklets. Oh my god, I absolutely love anklets. You can wear them with your ballet flats or even with your sneakers for that effortless Parisian vibe. I personally am someone who loves simple gold chains. If you have bracelets that are too big for you, you can wear them as an anklet because that is what I do. Or you can go super chic with pearl ones or even colorful ones. But I absolutely love anklets slash pile. I'm gonna throw in a random product, the Chic Tech wired earphones. I know a lot of people in the comments are gonna get really frustrated with my entangled earphones, but this is how they always are. So AirPods and AirPods Pro are really cool, no denying that, but they give me more of a clean girl vibe rather than the it girl vibe. Honestly, it's all about convenience. You pick and choose. Personally, I cannot charge another device. So these are the way to go for me. There's no denying it that it looks like another fashion accessory. I really like the way it looks. And it's also very nostalgic. It's old school meets modern lifestyle. The very last fashion piece that I want to talk about are matching PJs. Because an it girl not only has her looks curated outside, but at home as well, her looks are curated. I personally feel so put together when I have my matching PJs on. And I mean, this is again personal preference. There are a few days where I just want to wear an oversized tee with shorts, and that's fine. But for the most part, I do try to wear matching sets, and I have been on a hunt to find matching sets that not only look cute, but they need to be comfortable, preferably cotton. So happy to report that I have found a few that I absolutely love. Let's quickly take a moment and talk about trends. So I feel like trends kind of sway from one extreme to the other until they kind of sway in between, wherein there's a hybrid. I feel like we're kind of there in the hybrid. On the basis of this observation, I want to recommend you 2 it girl beauty products. When it comes to makeup, the focus is still skincare infused makeup. So tinted sunscreens, I feel like, are a big thing, along with tinted serums. They have great skincare ingredients, but at the same time, they give you that coverage. This is for the days where I absolutely don't want to do anything. And then this is actually something that I can do on full glam days. Like today, I'm wearing this on my face and I love it. And then this honestly works for all kind of days. I'm not exaggerating. There have been months where I have not used anything but this. I have emptied an entire container of this product. This is my second bottle and I cannot recommend it enough. The second beauty product has to be lip balms. I don't fully understand it, but I feel like Miss Hailey Bieber has a big role to play in it, because I feel like ever since Rhode has come out, it's really all about lip balms and tinted lip balms. My personal favorite Indian brands that do lip balms really well are these two. They're hydrating and also they give you a really nice tint. Also, I feel like these have almost become like an accessory because people carry these around kind of like keychains and even phone covers, right? So I feel like it's become almost like a lifestyle product. I obviously have to mention a fragrance which I feel like is an it girl fragrance. Obviously, this is my interpretation of what an it girl would wear. It's the Lancome's Idol. As you can see, I have completely run out of this perfume. It was, of course, a smaller size, but I really do want to get a full size because the amount of compliments that I have received, and also I personally love this fragrance on me. I'll of course pop up the notes on the screen for you to get a sense of it, but I would recommend going into a store and smelling it. I think it smells absolutely divine. The packaging is very, very chic, very simple, minimalistic. I absolutely love this product. We're almost done with this video. The last category that we have is hair. And in my personal opinion, I feel like these very sleek hairdos, also heatless hairstyles, are very it girl coded. And I'm going to recommend you a few products in order to achieve that look. The first one has to be this set of 3 combs. Not only do they look super cute, but they're also very functional. I do agree that having skills and practice is very important to get that look, but I feel like if you have the right tools, it makes the process a lot easier. So these are very affordable. It's going to give you that really nice sleek look. They're actually very, very nice. Which brings me to chunky over the top hair accessories. I feel like if you're someone who kind of struggles with hair, kind of like me, I feel like hair accessories are a great way to mask that almost. If you've seen my DIY video, I showed you how to make those oversized floral hair clips. So those are very trending. If you don't want to buy them, you can just make them. Go watch my previous video. But also I feel like oversized scrunchies are very, very popular, and they really do make your life so much easier. I have quite a few options that I have listed down below, so do check it out. The very last product that I have is this right here. Again, very aesthetic, very pretty, but quite functional. I feel like this one single tool can really make your life much easier. It can reduce the heat. इसमें भी heat लगता ही है, but reduce the heat and give you that very put together sort of a look. You could potentially curl your hair with this one, but I would recommend it just to kind of smoothen out your hair and kind of give you that blow dried look. If you have extremely curly hair, I don't know how satisfying would this be, but I feel like if you have wavy or straight hair, this is really, really nice. And with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. Now, if you are a fashion girly, let this video kind of like be a reminder to you to focus on the little details while curating your look, because that is what is going to turn your outfit into a statement. At least that's what I've learned while researching for the it girl trend. All the products that I've mentioned will be linked down below, so go check it out. Let me know what you thought of this video. I can do a lot more different trends because I really enjoyed doing this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.